Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold a pen properly for neat handwriting. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this easy instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a pen, and if you want to have neat handwriting, one of the keys is to hold the pen properly. So I'm going to show you how I hold the pen in order to have the neatest handwriting that I can possibly have. To be honest with you, my penmanship, my handwriting still isn't the best, but it's the neatest that I can be in terms of my standards. So this is how I hold the pen, and it allows me to do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you, and then I'll explain exactly what it is. So this is how I hold the pen, and I'll explain exactly why it works so well. Okay, so let's go over how to hold it. Okay, so you can see right here the pen is resting between my middle finger and my index finger. Right there, it's resting on this part of my middle finger, and my index finger is covering it with the pad, the top pad, the furthest pad of my index finger. That's where it is there. Okay, my thumb is pressing against the pen with the pad of my thumb, the furthest pad of my thumb, and my thumb is also going and pressing against my index finger right there. Okay, just a little bit over there. So this is the position, and the pen also comes out on an angle and goes right here, basically where my index finger knuckle is. It comes out at the same spot as my index finger knuckle. Okay, now when I write like this, okay, it allows me to write with the best handwriting that I could possibly have, and the reason is simple. Okay, and you can see, there's this much space right here between the tip of the pen and right where it meets where my index finger is. I say that's about 1.25 inches, give or take, something like that, give or take. So that's the point where it meets right here. From the tip of the pen to there, that's where the point of contact is with my middle finger. That's about 1.5 inches, just a little bit more, 1.5 inches, something like that, give or take, about 1.5 inches, give or take. But you can see that's how much space there is. Now, the reason this allows for great penmanship and great handwriting is the following, okay? I have a firm grip of the pen, so I have complete control of the pen, but it is freedom to move. It is freedom to move, so I can flow. So you get control with the grip, but flow with the freedom. Okay, also this part of my hand would be resting against the paper, so it gives me a pivot point. Okay, so if I was writing on my hand, don't worry, it's a brand new pen, there's still a little rubber piece at the tip here. So if I was writing, right, my hand can smoothly move on the paper, and it gives me a pivot point to have complete control as well. Okay, by using this grip right here, you're going to be able to have the neatest handwriting that you can possibly have. Now, I'm gripping it really tight because I'm just holding it like this, and my hand is starting to cramp. So what you want to do is grip it a little bit loose, okay? So if I was actually writing, I would grip it a little bit looser, okay? And that would allow me to not have a hand cramp, and it gives also better movement and better flow. So the idea is very simple. I've shown you and told you exactly how to hold the pen properly if you want to have neat handwriting. It's been a simple tutorial. I've gone over everything that I could possibly go over to show you exactly how to hold it. I've gone over every aspect. I tried to keep it really in depth, but also at the same time short and sweet and straight to the point. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully you can have neater handwriting and neater penmanship overall when you are writing with a pen. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.